Well, hey lipstick fam, this is Victoria Lowe, and yes, another video means another color. So today, lipstick lovers, I'm going to be showcasing one of my most requested colors that goes by the name of Cabo. It is a beautiful deep teal and it is absolutely stunning. Let's get right into it. So starting off, we're going to be using our world famous lipstick base. You can purchase this base from my website, or you can watch the video on how to make your very own. I'll be sure to link both in the description box below. So first I'm going in with 2 teaspoons of the blue number 1 Alum Lake. Next I'm going in with a 1/4 teaspoon of the yellow number 5 Lake. And third I'm going in with a 1/4 teaspoon of the white titanium oxide. If you guys can't find white titanium oxide, you can use any white oxide, and that is Oxide. So I often get asked the question, how long does it take to make a bottle of lipstick from start to finish? I'm going to actually have to say about 20 to 25 minutes, but what your ultimate goal is to try to mix everything or incorporate everything, meaning incorporating all of the pigments where you can't see any pigments, any dyes, none of that stuff individually. And also you want to avoid any white marble clouds from your titanium or white oxides. So you're basically just mixing until everything is nice and even and smooth. So now I'm going in with 1 teaspoon of isododecane. This is actually the ingredient that is going to be making our product matte. So now I'm going to go in with a 1/4 teaspoon of the blue number 1 Alum Lake. And what this does, whenever you add isododecane, you want to go back in with pigment, because just imagine the liquid, isododecane is a liquid, so it's going to take away from some of the color payoff. So you want to kind of put that color back in, and it also helps in mattifying your product. Whenever you feel like your product isn't matte enough, there probably isn't enough pigment. So you want to make sure that you balance out that ratio by adding enough pigment. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my syringe, and I'm going to begin to load the product in the syringe from the back. You guys can also use a piping bag. It depends on whatever your preference is, whatever your method of choice is. Go ahead and do it that way. I also get asked the question a lot, am I wasting product? Actually, no, because a lot of the times when I have product left over in a bowl, I use it for a tester. Now we're going to go ahead and load our bottle, but when loading the bottle, you want to be sure that you leave an ample amount of space at the top so that you can get your stopper in without having the product spill. You won't be able to get your wand in, or you won't be able to screw the wand on properly if there's too much product in the bottle. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do me a nice beautiful swatch check. And I absolutely love the way that this product came out. It is absolutely beautiful. It is my favorite shade, because it can be worn in the fall, in the summer, in the spring, year round, and it makes such a statement. And when I wear this color, I get so many compliments. I just want to thank you guys so very much for stopping by my channel. All of your love, all of your support, all of your color requests, all of your emails, all of your DMs, all of your testimonials. You guys rock. You guys make me feel like a queen, and I love you guys for that. If you're not already following me, please follow me on Instagram at Very_Veelo. And also, if you are subscribed, thank you. But if you're not subscribed, be sure to subscribe for some more beautiful color videos. Thank you guys so much for coming, and as always, stay blessed.